Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you footage from a Vueroid D21-4K 2-channel dash camera, which is 4K front and 1080p rear, versus a VIOFO A329 2-channel dash camera, which is a 4K front camera and a 2K rear camera. Both dash cameras have been set up to have HDR enabled for both front and rear cameras. That makes the front cameras generate 30 frames per second video footage to make it an even comparison. The A329 does have a CPL filter on the front and rear cameras, since VIOFO does offer those, and Vueroid does not offer that for their front and rear camera in this model. I have 3 different time periods throughout the day. First one is daytime, about 2 hours after sunrise. The middle segment is from 40 minutes after sunset, and the last segment is from about 1 hour after sunset. I hope you find it informative as a comparison between these 2 dash cameras. Thanks for watching.